The Phoenix Contact PSR switch is a non-contact RFID-coded safety switch in a compact design, which can be installed particularly easily. PSR switch comprises a safety sensor and an actuator. They can be mounted in many different ways. Vertically on safety doors, horizontally on smaller doors, or for monitoring different positions. The three-hole system supports the easy and flexible screw mounting as well as the fine-tuning of the actuator. Tamper-proof screws ensure additional mechanical safety. As you can reach the safety sensor from any side, the sensor and actuator can be placed nearly everywhere without constraints, even at places difficult to access. The connection is established by a standard M12 connector. A safe series connection of several PSR switches to the safety relay is possible using standardized Y-distributors and sensor-actuator cables. In addition, a restart button can be installed directly at the safety switch in order to prevent an unintentional machine run, for example, when a door accidentally closes during maintenance work. The PSRswitch RFID-coded safety switch from Phoenix Contact.